Hey, what's up guys? Check this out. It's an iPhone trick you still don't know. Jump into your phone guys. Just go ahead and search for measure. There's the measure app that comes with iPhone. Just click on it and then you can measure anything you want. This comes built in with iPhone. So come ahead, I'll show you. I'll start on this corner, mark that one, and then you can see it's measuring it right away, 20 cm. Go to the other end, mark that guy, and then we can continue measuring this one. Just press there, add a point, and then we can measure this one, guys. There you go, measure that. And then I'll just add. So here, guys, I'll measure that one. Even if there's an object like this laptop. And then, oh, it's not perfect, but you get the concept, guys. I'll put that one there. There you go. So if you go back here, you can have a view of like the measurement of the table, right? If you can see that one, that's 64 cm. That's it. It's drawing that line that we draw. So very useful for our use case, guys. Okay. Another one here, guys. And then I'll go to level. Press this one. And then you can actually see if this is flat or not. See? If it says green, that is 0 degrees flat. So if you do it like that, it's -4, -5. The same here. All right? Now the beauty of this with iPhone is that you don't need to install a third-party app that has a lot of advertisement. See? That means this is flat. Position of my phone is flat. Let's do it on this computer table here. So I'll just place it like that. Let's try to see if this is flat. Okay, that is 0 degrees flat. I hope you have learned something from this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it to everybody. See you in the next one.